Hello, my name is Stephanie. I'm your door expert from Window City. I hope you find this entry door video helpful. If you'd like to stay up to date on future videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon below. Enjoy.
Our classic entry door collection has been built with care using the latest innovations in today's construction technology and incorporates superior structural integrity along with quality and unmatched performance. The classic doors are available with several frame options. Like traditional doors, they come with solid wood frames such as pine, oak, or mahogany wood, as well as solid composite with a stainable oak wood grain. For customers who prefer low maintenance, the solid wood frame can come with an exterior vinyl wrap in various color finishes. The classic door system allows you to choose from a variety of frame options to combine with panel options such as steel, fiberglass, or solid wood panels to create the entry door you always dreamed of. Our classic entry door system has been designed with multiple sill options such as in-swing, out-swing, or handicap accessible, which are enhanced with compatible multiple sweeps to offer the best possible seal to eliminate water and air infiltration, and are available in various color finishes and sizes. Our door is designed with a full foam compressed weather strip on the frame along with an additional fin seal. All of this to prevent any air infiltration. The door is engineered to incorporate our optimal automatic multi-point locking system. This system is made from stainless steel and adds beauty and security. By simply closing the door, the upper and lower latches will instantly and automatically engage, which provides more security, better air tightness, and prevents any warping of the door panel. By turning the key from outside or knob from inside, you can also engage the 1-inch deadbolt for extra security. The hardware is available in several style choices and color finishes. The stainless steel ball bearing hinges are standard and available in several finishes to match with your hardware. These doors can be combined with several side lights, transoms, grills, wrought iron, and decorative glass options, along with multiple operational configurations to create a customized entrance for you. Depending on whether you choose one of our steel, fiberglass, or wood panels, there are several choices of either paint or stain to enhance your entryway. Our classic entry doors are ENERGY STAR and CSA approved and come with a non-prorated lifetime warranty. Please visit our website at www.windowcity.com for the latest available options. You will find that you can choose from various premium door hardware finishes as well as several paint and stain color options. The classic entry doors can be ordered with all the interior and exterior trim accessories that perfectly match our window products. If you are building your dream home or renovating your existing home, come to Window City, Canada's most trusted manufacturer of windows and doors.